Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles using a waffle maker, step by step. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Next, preheat your waffle maker to its optimal setting, usually medium to high. Finally, lightly grease the waffle iron plates with cooking spray or a brush of oil to ensure your waffles don't stick. This preparation is key for perfect results. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, such as eggs, milk, and melted butter, until they are well blended. Then, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to cook. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of your preheated waffle iron. The exact amount depends on your waffle maker's size. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know your waffle is ready when the steam stops escaping from the sides, indicating it's golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, carefully remove your waffle from the iron using a non-metal utensil to avoid scratching the surface. Serve your warm, crispy waffle immediately with your favorite toppings, like fresh fruit, syrup, or whipped cream. After enjoying your delicious creation, allow the waffle maker to cool completely before cleaning it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.